Students, now in this video let's continue the some corollaries of quadratic reciprocity law. So corollary 1, it says if P and Q are distinct odd primes, then Legendre symbol of P by Q into Legendre symbol of Q by P is equal to 1 if P congruence to 1 modulo 4 or Q congruence to 1 modulo 4, and it is minus 1 if P Q congruence to 3 modulo 4. Corollary 2, if P and Q are distinct odd primes, then Legendre symbol of P by Q equal to Legendre symbol of Q by P if P congruence to 1 modulo 4 or Q congruence to 1 modulo 4, and it is minus of Q by P if P congruence to Q congruence to 3 modulo 4. Okay. Then next, corollary 3. Legendre symbol of 3 by P is Legendre symbol of P by 3 if P congruence to 1 modulo 4. As Q is not here, so only one of them. Fine. And it is minus of P by 3 if P congruence to 3 modulo 4. Now, as 3 is an odd prime, that's why this is valid. Also, the Legendre symbol of 3 by P Legendre symbol of P by 3, you can take P by 3. That is equal to what? 1 if P congruence to 1 modulo 3, and it is minus 1 if P congruence to what? 2 modulo 3. Why does this? P congruence to 1 modulo 3 means what? It will be 1 by 3, so its value is 1. And if it will be 2 by 3, then it doesn't have a 2 is not a quadratic residue of 3, that's why it will be minus 1. Fine. Now next, corollary, or you can say theorem. Now this theorem is for P not equal to 3. If P not equal to 3 is an odd prime, then Legendre symbol of 3 by P is what? It will be P 3, then this is valid, and P not equal to 3, then this one you can directly use if P congruence to plus minus 1 modulo 12, and minus 1 if P congruence to plus minus 5 modulo 12. This is a theorem. Now all these one we can use in various examples. Also, let me give one more to you, one more theorem you can say. Theorem: if P is an odd prime, P is an odd prime, then Legendre symbol of 2 by P is 1 if P congruents to 1 modulo 8 or P congruents to 7 modulo 8, and it is -1 if P congruents to 3 modulo 8 or P congruents to 5 modulo 8. All these one you can memorize for solving example. We don't have to see the proofs of them. The proofs are not that much needed, while the examples, for examples, these are important to us. And if you want to go for proof, you can easily prove them. Fine. Now let's go for the examples. Depends on these one. So anything among these we can use at any time in between the examples which was suitable there. Find Legendre's symbol 29 by 53. 29 by 53. So solution: let or as 29 congruents to 1 modulo 4, 1 modulo 4 and 53 congruents to 1 modulo 4. Therefore, Legendre symbol of 29 by 53 is same as Legendre symbol of 53 by 29. That is same as Legendre symbol of 24 by 29. Now this 24 can be written as 2 square by 29 into 2 by 29 into 3 by 29. Now Legendre symbol of a square by p is what? 1. That's why this will become 1 into 2 by 29 into 3 by 29. Okay. Now this Legendre symbol of 2 by 29, as we have seen just the last theorem, in that one what they say, now p congruents to 1 modulo 8 or p congruents to 7 modulo 8, then it is 1. But if p congruents to 3 modulo 8 and p congruents to 5 modulo 8, then for 2 by p, Legendre symbol of 2 by p will be what? -1 in that case. So 29 congruents to 5 modulo 8. 5 modulo 8. That's why this part, this is 1 as it is, this part will become -1. And for 3 by p, we have 29 congruents to here, again plus minus 5 modulo 12. Modulo 12. Okay. That's why this value also becomes what? -1. So this product will become 1. Therefore, Legendre symbol of 29 by 53 is how much? It will be 1. Means the congruence for this one is solvable, you can say. The congruence will be solvable. Now the next example. Let's take the next one. The solution of quadratic congruence with composite with composite modulus. Consider x square congruence to 196 modulo 1357. So solution, here 1357 equal to 23 into 59. The given congruence is solvable if and only if x square congruence to 196 modulo 23 and x square congruence to 196 modulo 59 are solvable. Are what? Solvable. Now, to check these are solvable or not, we need to find the Legendre symbol of 196 by 23 and 196 by 59. Therefore, to find Legendre symbol of 196 by 23 and Legendre symbol of 196 by 59. Let's work on this. So, first of all, Legendre symbol of 196 by 23, that is equal to Legendre symbol of 12 by 23. That is equivalent to Legendre symbol of 2 square by 23 into Legendre symbol of 2 by 23. Sorry, not 2, it will be 3. 4 3s are 3 by 23. So, Legendre symbol of 2 square by 23, that will become 1, as a square by p will become 1. Fine. And the Legendre symbol of 3 by 23 is also what? 1, since 23 congruence to minus 1 modulo 12. 3 by p, that corollary we are using. This is, so after all this is what? 1. Now, another part, 196 by 59, Legendre symbol of this. This is same as Legendre symbol of 19 by 59. That is equivalent to minus of 59 by 19. Why does this? Because 19 and 59 all are congruence to 3 modulo what? 4. They congruence to 3 modulo 4. Okay. So, this is equivalent to minus of Legendre symbol of 2 by 19. That is minus of minus 1, that is equal to 1. Why this is minus 1? Because 19 congruence to 3 modulo 8. That last theorem we are using here. So, this is minus 1. So, it will become 1. Now, Legendre symbol of 196 by 23 is also 1. Legendre symbol of 196 by 59 is also 1. Means both are solvable. Therefore, given congruence is also solvable. Therefore, what can I say? The given congruence what does that? X square congruence to 196 modulo is solvable. Is what? Solvable. Now, let's take the next example. Next one. Find the Legendre symbol of 71 by 73. So, Legendre symbol of 71 by 73 is Legendre symbol of minus of this. Why does this? Since 73 congruence to 3 modulo 4. So this is equivalent to minus of 2 by 71. Why does this? As a remainder after dividing by 71. Here it will be minus of 1 because 71 congruence to 7 modulo what? 8. Modulo 8. Legendary symbol of 2 by 71 will be 1. So it is what? Minus 1. So legendary symbol of 71 by 73 is how much? Minus 1. Now let me take the next example. Another example is that legendary symbol of minus 219 upon 383. I think so. This one I have given as a homework in previous example. Previous video. So it will be minus 1 upon 383 into legendary symbol of 219 upon 383. So this part is minus 1 raised to what? 161, and this is minus of 383 upon 219. Since 219 and 383 both are congruent to 3 modulo 4. That's why this is minus. This minus and this minus. Here odd power is as 2 to minus 1, so minus and this minus will become plus. So this will be legendary symbol of 383 upon 219. That is equal to legendary symbol of 164 upon 219. So that is equivalent to legendary symbol of 2 square by 219 into legendary symbol of 41 upon 219. This part will become 1. This is what? 1. So legendary symbol of 41 upon 219. That is equivalent to legendary symbol of 219 upon 41, because 219 are not that much. Okay, we can take 41 also, or is there 41 congruence to 1 modulo what? 4. This one we can take here. So this 219 upon 41, the legendary symbol of that is equivalent to legendary symbol of 14 upon 41. So that is legendary symbol of 2 by 41 into legendary symbol of 7 by 41. Okay. Now legendary symbol of 2 by 41 is what? Minus 1. Why does this? Because, and this is minus of, this is another one is what? Minus of legendary symbol of 41 by 7, because 41 congruence to 5 modulo 8, and this is minus because this 7 congruence to 3 modulo 4. Okay, so here this will become again plus. So that is minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus. So only legendary symbol of 41 by 7, and that is nothing but legendary symbol of 6 by 7. That is equivalent to legendary symbol of 2 by 7 into legendary symbol of 3 by 7. So that is equal to 1 into legendary symbol of 3 by 7, because 7 congruence to 7 modulo what? 8. Okay. So legendary symbol of 3 by 7 will left. That is equivalent to legendary symbol of 7 upon 3, because legendary symbol of 3 or 7 both are congruent to 3 modulo 4. Okay. So that is equivalent to legendary symbol of 4 upon 3. Okay. And that is equal to what? 1. Because it is legendary symbol of 2 square upon 3, that is what? 1. Therefore, what does this give? Legendary symbol of minus 219 upon 383 is what? 1. This is our final answer here. Okay. Now, let's go for the next example. Again, solve the congruence x square congruence to 219 into modulo 419. That is same as to solve solution. Now to solve this congruence is same as to find the Legendre symbol of 219 by 419. So this is equivalent to Legendre symbol of 3 upon 419 into 73 upon 419. Now this is equivalent to Legendre symbol of 73 upon 419, because Legendre symbol of 3 upon 419 will be 1, since 419 congruence to minus 1 modulo 12. This is a reason here. Okay, as you can see, fine. So this part is equivalent to 419 upon 73, because 419 congruence to 1 modulo 4. 72 also you can say, sorry, 73 also this one. Okay, now this is equivalent to 54 by 73. That is equivalent to 2 upon 73 into 3 square upon 73 into 3 upon 73. Legendre symbol of these. Now this is 2 by 73 will become 1. This is also 1, and 3 by 73 is also what? 1. Because Legendre symbol of 2 by 73 is 1, as 73 congruence to 1 modulo 8. And Legendre symbol of 3 by 73 is 1, as 73 congruence to 1 modulo 12. Okay, so, and you know 3 square by 73, that will be the property of Legendre symbol. Legendre symbol of a square by p is what? 1. Therefore Legendre symbol of 219 upon 419 is what? 1. This is equal to 1. So this is also what? 1. Okay, therefore the given system is solvable. Given system is what? Solvable, or the given congruence is solvable. Now let's take the next one. Next example. Legendre symbol of 461 upon 773. So this is equivalent to Legendre symbol of 773 upon 461. That is equivalent to Legendre symbol of 312 upon 461. We can write this one because 461 congruence to 1 modulo 4. Now this part can be written as Legendre symbol of 2 square by 461 into 2 upon 461 into 39 upon 461. So this is Legendre symbol of 2 by 461 into 39 upon 461. Okay, so this is equivalent to minus 1 into Legendre symbol of 461 upon 39. Why does this? Because since Legendre symbol of 202 upon 461 is what? Minus 1, as 461 congruence to what? 5 modulo 8. And this part will become this, because Legendre symbol of 461 congruence to 1 modulo what? 4. This is the reason here. Therefore, now this is equivalent to minus of Legendre symbol of 32 by 39. That is equivalent to minus of 2 square by 39 into, or you can say 4 square by 39 into 2 by 39. Okay, so 4 square by 39 will become 1. So this is minus of legendary symbol of 2 by 39, and that is equal to what? Minus of 1, because legendary symbol of 2 by 39 is 1, as 39 congruence to 7 modulo what? 8. Modulo 8. Therefore, legendary symbol of 461 upon 773 is what? Minus 1. And this example we had solved previously also. Now, here it is a very easy way to solve these using these corollaries. Okay. Next one. Find legendary symbol of minus 72 upon 131. So, this is equivalent to legendary symbol of minus 1 upon 131 into 72 upon 131. So, minus 1 raised to what? 65 into this 72 upon 131. So, this is minus, now this will be legendary symbol of 2 square by 131 into legendary symbol of 3 square by 131 into legendary symbol of 2 by 131. Okay, so that is equivalent to legendary symbol of minus of legendary symbol of 2 upon 131. These will become 1. Fine. So now this is equivalent to what? Minus of this is 1. Since 131 congruence to 3 modulo 8, it will be, sorry, it is minus 1. Okay, as this is the reason. So we get legendary symbol of minus 72 upon 131 is how much? 1. This will become 1 here. It is what? 1. Now the next one, legendary symbol of minus 42 upon 61. So this is legendary symbol of minus 1 upon 61 into 42 upon 61. That is equivalent to legendary symbol of 2 by 61 into 3 by 61 into 7 by 61. So this is equivalent to minus 1 into 1 into this is 61 by 7, because what are the reasons? Legendary symbol of 2 by 61 is what? Minus 1, since 61 congruence to 5 modulo 8. Then legendary symbol of 3 by 61 is what? 1, because 61 congruence to 1 modulo 12. Other are as it is. This 61 by 7, because 61 congruence to 1 modulo 4. Okay, these are the reasons here. So okay, this is minus of what? Minus of this will become 5 by 7. Legendary symbol of 5 by 7. That is same as minus of 7 by 5, because what? 7 congruence to 3 modulo 4. 5 congruence to 5 congruence to, since 5 congruence to 1 modulo what? 4. That's why this remains, sign remains same. So this is minus of 2 by 5. Now this one will be minus of what? Minus 1, because what can we say here? This 5 congruence to whom? 5 congruence to 5 modulo 8. So this is what? 1. Therefore Legendre symbol of minus 42 by 61 is what? 1. Now let's take the next example. Next example is that question, show that the congruence x square congruence to minus 46 modulo 17 admits no solution. Admits no solution. So solution for this, the given congruence is x square congruence to minus 46 modulo 17. So here a is equal to minus 46 and p equal to what? 70. Therefore Legendre symbol what does that? It will be Legendre symbol of minus 46 by 17. That is equal to Legendre symbol of minus 1 by 17 into 46 by 17. So this is minus 1 raised to 8 into 46 by 17. So that is Legendre symbol of 2 by 17 into Legendre symbol of 23 by 17. So this is Legendre symbol of 2 by 17 will be, it will be 1, because this Legendre symbol of 23 by 17 will become 5 by 17. It will be 6 by 17. Okay. Since Legendre symbol of 2 by 17 is 1, as 17 congruence to 1 modulo 8. This is a reason here. Okay. So this will be Legendre symbol of 17 by 6 or Legendre symbol of, these are not prime so we cannot write it, Legendre symbol of 2 by 17 into Legendre symbol of 3 by 17. Again Legendre symbol of 2 by 17 will become 1 and Legendre symbol of 3 by 17, as 17 congruence to 1, 17 congruence to 17 congruence to whom? Plus minus 5 modulo 12. It will be plus 5. So it is what? Minus 1. So Legendre symbol of this 3 by 17. So this gives 3 by 17 is what? Minus 1. Therefore this is what? Minus 1. Hence we can say this congruence, as Legendre symbol is minus 1, therefore the congruence x square congruence to minus 46 modulo 17 has no solution. Then the last question here I have to take, it is of different kind again. It says find all the primes p such that Legendre symbol of 10 by p is what? 1. Now solution for this, what is given to us? Given that given that legendary symbol of 10 by p is 1, we have to find prime number p such that legendary symbol of 10 by p is what? 1. We know that x square congruence to a modulo p has a solution, then its value is 1. If there is no solution, then its value is -1. Since a equal to 10, this implies it is x square congruence to 10 modulo p. We have prime in complete residue are 2, 3, 5 and what? 7. Okay. Now as x square congruence to 10 modulo 2 has solution x equal to what? 0. Then x square congruence to 10 modulo 3 has solution x equal to what? 1. X equal to 1. Then x square congruence to 10 modulo 5 has solution x equal to 0. Why does this? Because look at it carefully. This x square congruence to 10 modulo 2 can be written as 10 congruence to x square modulo 2. And you know 10 modulo 2 will become 0, that's why the solution is 0. Here it will be 10 congruence to x square modulo 3. So 10 modulo 3 is what? 1, that's why x is what? 1 here. Same thing is here also. 10 modulo 5 will become 0, that's why the solution is what? 0. Now what about the 7? So x square congruence to 10 modulo 7 has no solution. So how many primes are there? The primes are only 3 in number. So 2, 3 and 5. Therefore the primes 2, 3 and 5 are 2, 3, 5 such that 10 by p is what? 1. Now this is about this chapter 4th, quadratic reciprocity. In next video we have to start the next chapter, that is Diophantine equation. That will be our last chapter of this course. Thank you.